Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change default homepage in Microsoft Edge browser. Click three dots on the top right corner. Click Settings. Click on Startup. Check Open a specific page or pages. Click Add a new page. Type any web page URL. Click Add. Close and reopen Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.